in this video I'm going to show you quickly how I do my brows. If you want to see how to do your eyebrows in less than, let's say, 8 minutes, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly support your girl. Click on the subscribe button just right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get right into it. Eyebrow tutorial. To start out, of course, you're gonna need an eyebrow spoolie, which is something just like this. It's like a mascara wand. A mascara wand. You need to brush your brow hairs in place. Yeah. Shape. You want to first line how you want the shape of your brows to be. And how you know where the beginning of your brow should be is it shouldn't go beyond your nose area, like the size of your nose here. It shouldn't go beyond here and beyond here. Anything outside of there is too much, and it shouldn't also go outside of this area here, like this ends. So that's the guide you should know. Okay, let's just map out the guide. So from here right here, let's just mark it here. The brow shouldn't go outside of there, and the brow should also not go outside of here. And towards the end of your nose here, your brow should not go outside of here, and it should also not go outside of here. And the highest point of your brows, for we that have a square shaped face, we can't really do all those arcing things. What you just know that, okay, you're just going to, like, from where your eye looking straight, where the end of the black part of your eyes is, like this area here, the highest point of your brow should be somewhere around here, and also somewhere around here. But you're just going to see that for our face shape, what we'll basically have is a flat brow. We wouldn't have that arc that other people's brows tend to have because it wouldn't complement the face shape of our face. But let's just start from this one here. Just like a simple line. You can see that this area here is where should be the highest point, but that doesn't matter when you're filling it in, because you can always use your concealer to clean it out when you are cleaning out the shape of your brows. So I'm just going to draw it, and I'll start to take it down to meet at this point here. This is where the brows will end. Draw the brow. I'm just doing like a line, like a smooth line, while I'm just moving softly. And you can see this area here is like, that's like where the arch is, but it's not like an arc thing. I'm just like taking it down from there. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just brush the brow hairs to just see where there are, you know, sparse, like, you know, there's scanty places where it looks like, oh, there's no hair there, there are holes. I'm going to start to use the brow pencil now to just fill up any area that seems like it's empty. I'm just going to quickly go back in and just sharpen up the brow pencil so that I can create really thin lines that's going to look like hair strokes. The beginning parts right here, I'm going to just start to create hairline strokes there. It just looks like I've got hairs around there, and and I'll do the same thing on my other brows here. Simple line, and I'll take it down to here, and repeat at the upper too. And take it down. I'm just brushing the brow hairs in place. Then I'm going to start creating the hair-like strokes right here. can see for this particular brows here, I didn't even need lots of product because I think I have more hairs on this side here. I have more hairs on this side. So next, what I'm going to start to do now is to define the shape of my brows, and what is going to help me do that is my concealer, and I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro concealer in Cool Tan. I'm just going to put a little of it on the back of my arm here, and even for the upper part of my brows, I'll just put a little of the chestnut concealer on the back of my arms so that I can mix it in with the Cool Tan so it doesn't look too light for my skin. And I'm trying to clean out this pencil thing which I did here. So yes, let's start work. So I'm taking in the Cool Tan concealer and see what I'm doing here. Trying to define the shape of our brows. Yeah, I hope you're getting what I'm doing. So for here, let's just So guys, now for the upper part of my brows, I'm gonna dip this the brush into that chestnut concealer so that it doesn't look too light. So let's just, I normally don't even like to clean out the upper part of my brows, but I'm just gonna do it. I'm done with these brows. I'm going to start to define the shape of this one right here. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just trying to follow that shape that I created, but then I'm cleaning it out. Next thing now is to clean out the upper parts of, oh, I don't know, there's something that just seems a bit funny here. Yeah, I think I'm crossing it out. Yes. Next, I'm going to clean out the shape of the upper part of these brows here. I don't know why when I'm filming it just becomes harder. I just hope you guys are still seeing everything I want you to see. Okay. So guys, we are almost done. I'm just gonna go back in with that spoolie and just brush the brow hairs again. Yeah. So guys, next we want to blend in all of that concealer that's still hanging around. I'm going to use this flat brush here and just blend it into my skin. You can see I'm going backwards, I'm not going forward. I'm not trying to spoil all of the work I've done around my nose area, just going inwards. Yeah, going inwards around the exterior parts. Around the exterior part we go inwards, then towards the middle part you can just blend it in. Then for the up part also, we'll just blend above it and the same thing. Yeah, just blend above it. Yes. Okay. You can see what we have now. I don't know if it looks nice, but I hope you guys like how my brows look. My face is rectangular shaped, and I think this brow shape best complements people with, did I say rectangle? Yeah, my face is square shaped. And I think the way I draw my brows, this shape complements the shape of my face best, because my face is rectangular, square-ish, you know, something around. My face is square, so having flat brows like this that are well defined best complements my face. And I hope you try out this brow shape if you have a square shaped face, and hopefully it comes out looking nice. You could practice as much as 10, 20 times, 30 times. It's practice that makes the shape of your brow come out nice. It's not going to be perfect the first time you do it. It's going to take days of doing it before it starts to come out how you want it looking. Sometimes in the past I'll do my brows and one is higher than the other, and then you go out and they're mocking you, but then don't really pay attention to people, because some humans naturally can just be curl. But just keep on doing it, and with time, so long as you can just, you know, use your eyes and use your pencil to just measure out and ensure that the brows are on the same level here. They are not exceeding at the ends of your eyes, and it's just well shaped and well defined and cleaned out. Hopefully your brow comes out looking nice. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, and share with your friends who are going to get value out of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. I love you.